So welcome to magicboards.io, and I'd encourage you just to stick around for 1 minute to capture two critical ideas. The first is, well, what is a magic board? And what it is essentially we're bringing the instructions or the SOPs and the results onto one single page. And this page design is always the same, and this allows you to know exactly what's going on and where you're up to with a single glance. Now, this has some limitations. It's constraint. You can't just add in more things, but it does one thing very well, which is put the instructions with the results so that it makes it easier to use the instructions and not make errors in our production. The second thing that I need you to catch is that when you do the work on a magic board, you might well make improvements. A little improvement here, a little improvement there. And usually this then involves going back and losing those improvements. But what you can do is save to the library. And when you do that, it's going to make a copy of everything that's going on here and put it into the library. And then from there, next time you go to want to do that work, instead of doing the original that did not have the improvements, you now have a magic board that captures the improvements. And so when you go and run that, all of those future versions will have those improvements. So that is the essential insights that come from magic boards. Number one, we're going to put the instructions with the results. And number two, we're going to capture improvements that happen when you are working by saving them back to the library. So with that said, I'm going to go ahead and show you what that looks like in the software. Let's go ahead, click the next video, and I'll see you there.